Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to fix Fortnite fail to download supervised settings. If you're experiencing this issue, first thing you need to do is power down your device. Completely shut down your gaming platform, whether it's a console like PlayStation or Xbox or a PC, and make sure it's not just in sleep or rest mode. Just turn it off fully. Now that your system is off, it's time to move on to unplugging it. Unplug the power cable from the wall socket or surge protector. This cuts off all residual power and clears any remaining electrical charge. Now, let your device sit for about 2 to 5 minutes without power. This helps ensure all background processes are fully shut down. Now, plug the power cable back into your console or PC. Then press the power button to turn the device back on. Now open Fortnite as usual and check if the performance has improved or if previous issues like crashes or lag are gone. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.